Alright guys, so belly's all filled up. Had pizza, loads of salad and couple of french fries and a Pepsi. So in all we had pretty good meal. Now bellies of all the explorers are filled up and now we are again going on an exploration trip, and this time the location we know it but we haven't been there ever, and it's gonna be fun. Stay tuned.
So check this out.
Bolivian beach.
This is called Bolivian Beach and we learned about it from an Insta page. But we're not sure if we can camp here because this is someone's plot. There are a lot of chalets or houses stuff here. So this was an open barren land, but it's pretty dirty, so I don't think we can camp around here. And this is how the beach looks like. A lot of seaweed. The water is very clear. The water is beautiful. It's very, very tempting. So we'll share the location of this beach, but I'm not sure if we can camp around here. We're still figuring out if we should or we shouldn't. So this is how the water looks like here. A lot of seaweed, but at least there is no plastic. So that's a good relief that there is no plastic around here in the water. Love the waves. So tempting. The water is so tempting. Oh, there's a flock of birds approaching us. I don't know if the camera is capturing. Yeah. So I think it will go past me. Wow. Oh, the cranes. Oh, those were cranes. So far we've made the decision that we won't be staying here.
3 hours later.
Alright guys, so drove almost 500 kilometers or more than that today. Extremely tired. The plan is to head towards Vatba.
Look, I found the everlasting ash. Come.
This is where we are. We are at Al Vatba Desert and opposite Al Vatba Park, and that's a moonrise. It's a full moon night, I suppose, today. Mommy Explorer has chopped some onion. We have chickpeas, and my two naughty explorers are playing. Are not playing actually, are helping me setting up the fire so that we can cook the chickpeas over there. And look at just background guys, it's so much lit up. We are expecting the fireworks from there. You can see the laser lights and the jam. Let me just zoom in. That's for Sheikh Zayed Heritage Festival, yes. And a lot of people are around. But yes, everybody is maintaining pretty good distance. So let's continue cooking and fill our bellies. All of us are hungry, right, Mom? Starving. Not me, but yeah, I'm hungry. Not starved, but yes. So let's set up more fire, more coal, so that we can start to cook the food.
So this is quick cooking. I just chopped up some onions. I had brought tomato paste, tomato puree, and just mix them both together with some butter. I had boiled my chickpeas at home with some ginger, garlic and onion. Please keep it away. Thank you. With some ginger, garlic and onion, and Yeah, so we'll be just putting it in once the gravy's a little set.
Looks yummy, and be careful of the fire. It's coming off left and right and everywhere.
Yeah, I'm being careful. Here, these are the boiled cholas with some amchur powder.
Mango powder.
No, anardana powder. Sorry, anardana powder, and some ginger, garlic, onion, and just boiled with some salt.
The magic continues.
Yeah. No. Stay away from the fire. It's super much. See. You can hear the sizzle. Rapti, stay away, please.
Junior Explorer, smallest, youngest Explorer, go get a bottle of water.
I may need to add some more tomato puree. Seems like, but first I'll mix and I will see if
Give
I
it to-
need.
Give it to Mom Explorer. She may need to pour something.
And girl,
Prapti.
girl, please get me some tomato puree. Pour me. And stay away from fire, please. Thank you. Super heavy right now. Thanks. Cholas boiled with ginger, garlic, onion, and some anardana and salt and black salt. Taste delicious on their own. You just need to add some tomato puree to it and you're done with it. And some masala, of course.
So guys, it's 8:15. Yeah. Food is almost ready. Kids' chickpeas are out. Now it's our chickpeas, which will have more masalas and more salt and more spices and more hot stuff to make it more yummy. I'm already. I hope you all understood what I mean to say. Over there, you can see the cars are stopping from there. And that's the exit for Al Watba. You know what? We used to live in Al Watba long time ago. I believe around 4 years back or 3 years back. And we never visited Sheikh Zayed festival. Actually, it didn't start by that time, I suppose, while we were in Watba. And we didn't stay in Watba for long. We were there for 3 or 4 months only. And then we shifted to Banias. And then from Banias, we came to know about Sheikh Zayed festival. And then ever since then, we have visited twice or thrice. And it's marvelous. You can see by the number of cars and the number of people who are around. Food is getting ready. Kids have found their company, I believe. Mom Explorer is busy in cooking. You can see the cars are lined up all through that entrance. This is all over there. All the cars are there. On the bridge and through the exit. Too much of cars. Well, this is New Year's Eve. Everybody wants to witness those fireworks. They're gonna happen. You can see those lights, laser lights. Probably they're gonna pop out from there. Alright guys, things are set up with our trash can tied to my bumper, my Coleman and my awning setup. My fire is on. It's 11:15. Still 1 hour and a quarter left for the fireworks. So let's wait and keep enjoying. Fire is all set, full swing. We've got some stuck situations. People are gonna help them make it out. Not a big deal. Many of them have stuck and someone or other has come to help everyone out. Big deal, isn't it? Not Explorer putting up dry twigs
1 hour later.
Happy New Year, family! How is it?
The next morning.
Morning. Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year!
It's 7 o'clock in the morning and we camped overnight in Al Watba Park. Opposite Al Watba Park, the desert.
Near the road.
Near the road, obviously. And where we are right now. And the fireworks happened right behind us.
There.
Again.
There.
Yeah.
It's covered with fog
Yep.
right now.
Let me make a 360 view of it. And fantastic. It's a plain ground behind me. That's our setup. Sun has risen already. There you go. It's 7:30 almost. The fire is also getting ready. It was really cold in the night. It is 14 degrees right now. At 7 a.m. it is 14 degrees, mommy. 7:30.
Good.
So during the night must have gone below 10.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we'll be having morning coffee, and after coffee, we'll pick
Head
up
home.
our stuff. It's 8:30. Daughter Explorer is up. She had a hot chocolate and flying her kite now. We are wrapping up. We are in Al Watba Desert. That's opposite to Al Watba Park. Now all the fog is gone, but in the far you can see some trucks, and behind the trucks you can still spot some smog or fog probably. So there is a tree line. Behind the tree line is your Sheikh Zayed Heritage Festival, and that was the site for yesterday's 35 minutes fireworks. Sorry. And man, these were amazing fireworks. Amazing. I mean, we had a smiley, we had a star, we had a butterfly, we had a UAE flag, and so many hearts. And we love UAE. The fireworks depicting this kind of stuff. This was amazing. It was amazing. What a marvelous display of fireworks. And it is good to be a part of such an awesome Guinness World Record, which we broke yesterday for 35 minutes of continuous fireworks. Great work. Great work. You can spot a lot of places where the trash has been left by people, which is not good. Please, it just takes a little extra to carry your trash along and then put it in the proper dumping container or something by municipalities or the authorities. So please collect your trash. It is good that you have at least collected it and put it in the black bags, and but that part is done, but it doesn't stop from animals coming in and trying to look for food in it, or wind rolling it over and then all the trash comes out of it. It's not good. And then on top of that, it comes out like this. You see the bottles, plastic bottles. The desert is beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. Please don't make it dirty. Please don't make it dirty. 9:30, all set, all packed up. Bye bye Watba for the time being. This brings us to not an end, to the end of Watba chapter for the time being. And Happy New Year to all of you once again. Now the plan is that we will head to Al Watba Lake. No, we are not camping. We're just going to go and check it out. Although I have been there once, but the kids and Mommy Explorer wants to check it out. So let's go and explore it. See you then.